Guys, Chaknu is going to the MDL. Wow! Wow! For the first time ever, wala nang execration original na natira sa Omega. Wala na. I mean, para sa MPL para sa MPL. Kasi nilagay nila si Chaknu sa MDL. Wow! That is surprising. Or is it? What do you guys think? Personally, Chaknu was okay last season. Pero yung star factor siguro, yun yung medyo nakakabigla. Of course, that's the main headliner. Meron pa rin mga ibang players na nandyan, familiar faces, such as sila Docmen, ganyan. Gumagawa akong video, Wolf. Gumagawa akong video, nakita ko ni Wolf. Pero yun nga, damn, I guess Chaknu's out of MPL. Or, di ba? Or, hindi pa rin natin masasabi. Kung sakali na umangat sila, or umangat yung kalibre ng laro ni Chaknu, babalik siya ng MPL.